Alright you guys, this here is the October's Boxycharm unboxing video. Just like the previous videos, this box here goes for a monthly fee for $21 per month. All you gotta do is subscribe and you'll get your box every month. They're pretty good at what's in the box. You usually get 5 to 6 full-size products, and it's always full-size products, so you're never let down. So let's get to it. I already opened it up, so it's nice and ready. Alright, and just like always, we always have the pamphlet. And on the pamphlet, this theme for this box here is Alter Ego. Can you see it there? Alter Ego. And you got the pretty boxy girls on the front there with some of the makeup, and it shows you inside everything you have inside. Let's not go see that. On the back here, there is a discount coupon here for 10% off on your next purchase for IT Cosmetics. All you gotta do is go to the website and use the code just for you Boxy. Alright, so let's get to it and see what's in the box. Nice size box as always. It comes in a nice padding, keep everything nice and secured. So let's get to it. The first item in the box we have, as everyone was looking forward to, is, you can see here, the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This retail value price goes for $20. It's a nice creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick. And the color I got, which I'm so glad, because I've seen some people get different variations. In this variation, I got the color, as you can see here, you see, Hawkwind, which is in this nice pretty color. Nice brown, perfect for fall. Let's swatch it, see the color. I'm into nudes and browns. I know some people are kind of tired of getting them in their Boxycharm box, but I can never get tired of them because I love browns. See that? Perfect. And it does dry down because it is a liquid lipstick, so awesome. I've tried it on, and the texture is creamy. It's not sticky, so it's nice on the lips, and it feels nice. Isn't that pretty? Perfect for fall. I love it. I love it. All right, next item in the box we have. See, and just like with the discount coupon, this will be the reason for the discount coupon, where we have here the IT Superhero Mascara, and this retail value price goes for $24. This is the Everlasting Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Okay, and it says here, I guess it shows the before, not too much eyelash, and after, vavoom. They always advertise like this. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Now, I did take it out and I did try it on, and it did give me some volume, so I can say it does work. Nice packaging. Look at that. Nice size. Oh, let me get that size so we can see. You can see the label at the bottom. Let's open it up. See what it's like. It's very nice. It's not too, get out of the way. It's not too flimsy, so it's nice on the lashes. Pretty nice. And the texture is nice. So, it does feel good, so. It's hard to find a good mascara that doesn't make it too clumpy or make it look like you have tarantula eyelashes. We know we ladies don't like that. So, and I like this one. So, I'll be giving this a try more. Because right now, my go-to is the Tarte one that came in a previous box. That one I do love. So, willing to give this a try. So, awesome. Alright, next item we have in the box. This one here, as you can see here, is from Dermovia. A lace appeal, the black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. This is an intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. It comes with 2 lace masks inside, and look, pay attention, peel intensity level medium. So don't think you can put this on your face and think, oh, it's just a peel off. No, it has some pull to it, so be aware. So first time opening it, trying to see what's inside. Remember, there's 2 masks inside, so you can use this twice, which is awesome. Sometimes they give you just one-time use, and you want to try it again to see if you like it. So, all right, what we have here, these here, you see 2. So we're gonna open this up. You can get it open. It's real nice, stretchy fabric here. So this here would be the mask. As you can see, the face. If I can get it right. It looks like one of those scream masks. Alright. See, you put the eyes, nose, then you got the little, they have the little loops that you would loop around the ear, and then you got the loop that goes under. Oop, I have it sideways. Sorry. All right, let's try this again. Okay, so there's the mask. You got the little loop-de-loop for the ears, like I said. It comes with little pull stretch things. You'll stretch it and pull over your ears. And then you have this down here where it's around your, under your chin. And then you'll loop it up. After you loop it over your ears, you'll loop it up over your ears to secure the mask. Now you put that on after you put, this here would be the charcoal. Get inside, sorry. Okay, this will be here be the charcoal peel-off mask. So this is just like any other charcoal mask, I believe. I've seen somebody put this on. I won't be putting this on, of course, right now. But you see, it's the black goopy stuff. You just put it on your face, and then you put your mask on top, and you let it sit there, as I said, for a good 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, you'll peel off. And just know, you do not, I repeat, do not put this stuff over any hair, or it's going to be some pain. So you will put it over your skin, and then you peel it off. Just don't peel off no hair. All right, awesome. It's a good thing to try in a bag, and good thing they give 2 in a package. So if you like it, then you're willing to try it again. All right, next item that we have in the box. This here, let's see what we get inside. This here is the Green Clean, focus. Here we go. This here is the Green Clean by Pharmacy Beauty. As you can see, it's a makeup melt away cleansing balm. Awesome. Made exclusively, see that? Made exclusively for Boxycharm. Oh, pretty neat. Okay. And this here retail value price is for $22. Oh, for the mask, I didn't mention. For the mask here, that retail value price was $30. $30 for 2 masks. All right, now back to this. All right, the Green Clean. Let's open it up, see what's inside. So this here, you know, of course, the cleansing balm you would put over your makeup to remove, no matter how intense your makeup is or how subtle it is. You right, see that pretty Showtime? These are pretty colors for winter, definitely with winter coming up. It's more wintry light colors. And of course, the one we've been waiting for, this, there, that olive there. That color is called Mask Off. Cool name. Mask Off. Nice olive color. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. I would be messing with that. I don't usually wear those colors, but I was willing to give it a try. It's too pretty to pass up on. All right, next color there is this purpley one you can see here. That shade is called Disguise. Where am I swatching? Disguise, a nice purple shimmery. See it? It's pretty. So it's nice shimmers. And last but not least would be that dark black one right there. It's not necessarily black, it's more gray. You'll see what I mean. It's just called 12 a.m. That's the shade color, 12 a.m. Focus. And these are all, you see what I mean? It's a nice gray tone, but you got the shades of shimmer in there. And it has like a little shift of pink, like kind of this shift color inside of that. So I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it has a nice shade. So these are all the swatches shades. They're pretty. Look at that silver right there. That'll be so cool for the inner corner. And then those there, the cheeks and the shimmer and that highlight right there. Pretty cool. Get a nice closer look of all of them. All right, so these here are all the items we got in our Boxycharm box. Like I said, they never fail with all the items that they have in the box. Okay, so this is awesome get as always from Boxycharm. Thank you, Boxycharm. So, and with Boxycharm, they did send, I don't know if everybody's seen, but on Boxycharm, there was a post put out by Kim Kardashian showing a preview of actually next month's November's box, and I will show you here a video of what was shown of everything that will be in November's boxing. This is everything that's in the box. So you have this shows swatches of the palette there. As you can see, you got some brushes, you got Cover FX drops, we got lashes. I doubt this pouch will be in there. Maybe that's one of the purses on the cap there. You got tweezers, and you got another palette. Boxycharm, love their palettes. That's a closer look of the palette that is so pretty. Perfect for fall. Perfect. Okay, that's the name of it. Ace Beauty's Grandiose Palette. All right, this shows the lashes from Lashaholics. Luxury Lashes. And this is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. That would be cool. That is my shade, so I would love to get that. Isn't that cool? Ooh, focus, focus, focus. Sorry, you guys. Ooh, there we go. Back in focus. Isn't that cool? Stuff that's in our box, they already showed. So we already got a sneak preview of everything that's coming for next month. That's rare. And then they also put out, which are some sneak peeks of items that will be in our Boxyluxe box that will be coming in December. That is our seasonal subscription box. And this was what was shown that will be coming in our box. Look at that. The Violet Voss Pro palette, the Holy Grail. Look at that. Look at all those shadows. Fall. You can't tell me that is perfect for fall. Look at those colors. Wow. I would love to get that. And I know a lot of people say this is an amazing palette. I don't personally have this one, but I would love to get this in December. So that'll be a Christmas present for every lady that subscribes. And in my description box, I will be having a link to Boxycharm so you can sign up. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And they also sent in the email for everybody who subscribed another preview that will be in a Boxyluxe, and it shows that everything. Let me see, everything that will be. Let me just go to it so you can see what I mean. Everything that will be another sneak peek in the Boxyluxe coming up in December. It's showing here. I'll just go to my email. You can see. First a little Boxyluxe spoiler, as you can see, the value of December Boxyluxe will be, and it shows you some shades. As you can see, just the Violet Voss palette that I just showed. Those are the colors that will be in there. And we go down, and you see there, over $340 in the Boxyluxe. Wow, that's amazing. Exciting to get your box. Let us know. And hashtag. Isn't that amazing? $340 in the monthly subscription box. That not the monthly box, but every 4 months you get, and that box goes for pretty much a total price of $49.99, and you get over $340 worth of items. You cannot tell me that's a steal. And Boxyluxe never fail. On their last, actually their first launch of the Boxyluxe, everything that was sent in it, it was used. I did not have to give it away. It was all used, and it was amazing. We got about 9, 10, actually about 11 products in there. One was thrown in, which was a box, not a box, a tote bag. So everything was in there was amazing. So the Boxyluxe never fails. $340 worth of items for $50. I would definitely recommend this. So, all right, thank you guys for watching my next Boxycharm unboxing video of the Alter Ego October box. So you guys have fun, and I will see you in my next video. If you have any comments, if you want to tell me different variation, everybody gets different variations. The way you can see that there is at the bottom of the box. It gives you that number with a heart. This is variation 1, as you can see. So you're welcome to let me know which ones you got. Which I know everyone got different variations of the lippy. Some people got different. They didn't get this, but they this and the mask. With the mask. With these two, you either got something different. I believe something with hair product, with a Briogeo hair product and another item. So it just varies on what they see fit for you. And don't forget to fill out all those in the beauty questions on the Boxycharm when you subscribe. That way they can more so customize some of your boxing in the future boxes. They are looking to customize them more to what you like. So make sure you fill out that survey quiz so your box can become more personalized towards you. So, all right, till next time. I'll see you guys later.